Hello, and we're working on plate number 10. I wanted to show you what you can do to make this a little easier for you to where you do not have to do so many squares. What I'm going to do is pop over here to AutoCAD, and I'm going to draw a rectangle, and then I will type offset, and I will specify my size, which is 0.20, just like the drawing. And then I will click the item, and I will do it on the inside because we want the offset to be on the inside. If we move our cursor on the outside, our offset will be on the outside. So I will place it there. Then on this area, I will go ahead and draw me a square. And I will also type offset. And I will give it 0.20, just like the drawing. Click my item, and it will be on the inside. Now, here's where it gets really confusing to some people. I want to center this on this area. So we get confused. Do we do it by this point, this point? How do we do it here? The best way is to draw a line from here to here, and then draw a line from here to this corner. And then you're going to copy just the squares, use the midpoint of this diagonal line to the midpoint of this diagonal line. And now it is placed on there exactly where it needs to be on the center. Okay, so we say, well, we need 4 of those. No problem. We could type mirror, grab this, grab here, use the midpoint of this line, rotate it around, and place it. Then we need 2 on this side. The fastest way is to draw a line from this midpoint down to this midpoint. Type mirror. Use the midpoint of this line and rotate them down. And now you have all 4 squares. If you're going to need to break some lines and make the squares on top of each other or change it up a bit, you will have to type explode. And you'll have to explode this, 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 and this. And hit enter. Now they are all individual lines. And so then you can come in here and you could tell it to break. And you could break at the intersection here to intersection here. If you wanted to, it's up to you. Or you can look at your drawing and you can see where you're going to need to break it. So if we come over and we look at our drawing, we can see that this line is supposed to be underneath, this one on top, underneath, on top. The only one that's totally on top is this one. So you would use the break command to break those lines at specific points.